Take a step back. You get back here. Josh, we come at the boat. You come here. Right the last second. Muna, everyone.
Oh yeah, it is.
You come here, right in front of me. No, come right here. Right?
Yeah, I see the train. You see that?
It's gonna come
Our
right
whole
back.
boy. Are you excited?
What's the train?
Filming people. No. Filming people. Phone 16. What's this again? This is locomotive number 2317. CP. Let's go. Chill out. 2317. And the F. 2246. That's it? Wait, is that it? That's it? That's it? Hey guys. That's it? I'm surprised.
Have you ever seen a train like that?
Oh, it's still 2 minutes though.
Go back.
Damn. There might be a second one coming.
Well, I think they stopped it. Go down there.
Yeah, it was longer last year.
Yeah, see? Okay. All right, boys, let's go.
That was way too short.
Nailed on the timing.